unwavering support to our son, President Muhammadu Buhari, your contribution to the development of every nooks and crannies of our country, of your philanthropic behavior of supporting less privileged. I and my council resolve to honor you with this very important traditional title of Maga Alherin Hausa. On behalf of the entire members of my council and its entire staff, accept my congratulations.
Congratulations.